Wonder what's going on here. Oh, that bike is on the wrong side of the road. I wonder what happened. I can only have a few speculation. I'm thinking he must have came around that turn a little wide and ended up on the wrong side, and obviously there was a car probably coming down, and maybe they had a slight collision because I don't see the bike damage or anything. But that also tells me what happened before. I had a couple of motorcycles coming in the opposite direction, give me that helmet tap, and usually that's an indication that there's cops ahead or enforcement. So originally I thought that they were stopping bikes because that's what's been going on lately. Bikes are being pulled over and being checked for either noise or paperwork and stuff like that.